down CTC TV. The American Piano of Anissa. Or down for Najatum. Tell party. What I say, Wajatum. Tell party. Party Ajatum. Or down for Timothy. Monty Tum. City TV. City TV. COMOAKU. City TV. I want a place. Blaster place. Ghana local place. All will be a share. City TV. City na. Go on.
Friends.
Be strong, very strong. Be strong and do this, please.
Friends. You why? Yatsi. Friends, you go in the past 13 years. Now, friends, you go. Your boy money be. Your boy here for your boy Danka. Mama did them near your for. We need your damn payment. They want to join your friends, please. Baby, I find you. You make a say. If I'm a family, I'm not to be in the down. You need me. Our friends from school, no. They are secretary. Assume Koni important man and home family. My friends. Now you did anniversary of your donation in my hospitals. Import the area mono to the my friends. It's your neck. Friends never didn't cry. You know, no kind of home. You never pay anyway. It's in there. You're trying to do your friends group more. They are the secretary position I'm looking for. What's me? It's a baby that came near Bonnie. So, I have a kind. So, he has any more swag. You need to move back. It's your fair Joyce. Your first year. Your fair founder. Your fair Beverly. I'm a Beverly.
Beverly, no, my. Oh, yeah, and come bro, near a child. Pictures don't go. China brand, I ain't come. Yelling, can
Beverly, for global. I see you. The see our carrier. I ain't made dear. I'm on the year, not see you. See, I see you and kind of with you, and then the friends from school. They try to do free.
Through that season of pain and anguish, Beverly kept encouraging and inspiring those around her. Oh, what a soul! So full of life. The smile she wore was homely and welcoming. Beverly, you may be gone, but your works, the passion with which you achieved them, and the impact they have had on us will remain. etched in our hearts. Beverly, working with you meant working with someone who embraced responsibility. You came on set well prepared, and you were committed to the acting fraternity. Today, the Ghana Actors Guild honors you for your love and selflessness, and humbly prays that the good Lord will grant you eternal rest as, oh, what a soul, so full of life. The smile she wore was homely and welcoming. Beverly, you may be gone, but your works, the passion with which you achieved them, and the impact they have had on us will remain etched in our hearts. Working with you, Beverly, meant working with someone who embraced responsibility. You came on set well prepared, and you were definitely committed to the acting fraternity. Today, the Ghana Actors Guild honors you for your love and selflessness, and humbly prays that the good Lord will grant you eternal rest as you journey into his warm bosom. You gave of your best and played your part well. And also, you deserve a peaceful rest. Beverly, indeed, your light will continue to shine through the stories you helped bring to life. Beverly, you may be gone, but your memories will still linger in our minds. Sleep well, colleague, sister, friend. Sleep well, Beverly, till we meet on the day of reckoning. Here's the thing. Every passing of a friend, colleague, family member, and so on and so forth, gives me that absolute realization that as a person, I need to continuously, perpetually relish what I do and do what I relish. Rest in peace, Beverly. You live on. Amen. Thank you.
Creative arts, tourism, media fraternity. On behalf of the Honorable Minister for Tourism, Culture and Creative Arts, Honorable Mamaga Abla Jifa Gomashi, and the government of the Republic of Ghana, I read a tribute from our Honorable Minister.
Abide with me. There's fools living time. The darkness deepens. Lord with me. me. Fast forwards living time. The darkness deepens, Lord, with me. Oh, my.
The entrance is here, right? But you guys should double up. You know, she can't really walk that. So, you don't.
Creative arts. Please, I need all of you to line up in front over there, the creative arts. Please line up at the front over there. And then the basket will go through you. Please, the creative art. Please. Now line up in front over there. Also here. Mami no